Hey there. It took me 30 minutes to get online. So that shows if I can teach myself how to do prompt engineering, anybody can. Hey there, my name is Jalissa, and I am here as the social work expat. I was a social worker and trained and educated as a social worker. I currently work remotely and am going to teach myself how to do prompt engineering while streaming. I thought it would be a good resource for other people like me. I was the sole caregiver for my twins, who are 21 now. And previously, I worked outside the home. It would have been so much easier for me if I had had a remote job like I do now, and a remote job that pays really well. I know that some people are very interested in using AI and ChatGPT prompts for business purposes. I am also going to use some examples for business as well. But let's see what I can come up with using just the webcam. So, how did I find out about ChatGPT and AI? I know that ChatGPT went live, I want to say it was back in December of 2022. So we're looking at only about 6 months worth of use, but um, it has exploded. And from what I can tell, this is going to be the very beginning of a new wave of work for all of us. And also, it is like the beginning of the internet all over again. I would love to be in on it and learn more about it. I still am not familiar with streaming, but what I will do is go over a little bit about artificial intelligence, what it is, and what prompt engineering is. I hope to be able to share my screen on my following lunch breaks, but I really wanted to get started and see if I can actually do this live streaming. Artificial intelligence is actually a collection of computer programs that teach computers to do advanced things that we as humans also do. And it is also sometimes called generative AI, which that is what ChatGPT is. It generally is taking what the artificial intelligence computers have learned from, if anyone has heard of LLM, they're large language models. That is a lot of different types of data. They take all of that data and feed it to the computers, and then the AI chatbots, which is what ChatGPT is, offers to the public the same information in different forms. It is like Google on steroids. How does AI work? Well, right now, AI works by using special computer programs called algorithms. YouTube has an algorithm, Instagram has an algorithm, Facebook has an algorithm, Netflix does as well, and so does Hulu. These algorithms are designed to learn from information and then make decisions based on the information that they learned. And just the same way that we learn from our experiences, these computer programs, the AI is learning from data and examples. This is where it might get sticky. It is like giving a computer a brain to think on its own and to make decisions. Some of the examples that I just gave We might be using AI already and not know it. There are a lot of really interesting things that we've already done using AI, and we don't know that. Anybody who's ever used YouTube, Netflix, Hulu, or Amazon Music, um, Spotify, or Pandora, and have gotten recommendations about what else to watch or listen to, AI is giving us those recommendations. If anyone has ever used Google's voice assistant or Siri or Alexa, they're using AI that is voice assisted with getting questions answered, shopping carts filled out, uh, almost any weather reports, things like that. AI is also used in self driving cars, like Tesla is coming out with, where the computers are making the decisions about how to navigate the roads safely. Where does prompt engineering come in with this? So, prompt engineering is actually asking questions in a conversational way of the AI chatbot to get some information back out. It's like giving instructions that we have come up with to the AI models so they can understand what we want them to do for us. The difference between computer programming and AI prompt engineering is that we're giving clear directions to someone in regular language. And that is actually what we're also doing with the AI chatbot. We're giving clear prompts to the AI to help guide them in the right direction. But how do we do that? That's what I want to teach myself how to do on stream and see if I can help anyone else along the way learn it as well. So, why is this important? Prompt engineering is like super important at this point because not only does it help AI models understand what we want better and give us more accurate results, there are businesses that people are coming up with the help of these AI chatbots. There are people who are using the prompt engineering, the AI chatbots for their resumes, for job searches, for learning new skills. I would like to learn, and anyone else who wants to come along as well, I would like to learn how to use prompt engineering to give me an extra set of hands, as it were. By using the right prompts, we can get the AI models to give us exactly what we're looking for. And we're also giving them a little something on the side as well, because the more we use and ask certain questions, the more the AI models can give more useful information for us. What I might ask, even if it's the same topic, might not be what someone else would ask. It is also like having a secret code language with the AI model because the way we would ask something and the information that we get wouldn't be the same as someone else. It is almost like having a tailored assistant to help us with our tasks on the internet. Prompt engineering can help us unlock the true potential of AI and make our interactions with technology easier and more efficient. My goal to teach myself beginning prompt engineering is to go through a few prompt design types. There are several different types. Some of the examples are explicit prompts, which I'm going to go over tomorrow and try to work on. There are conditioning on context prompts, asking for clarification prompts, and also using examples. I feel like I'm going to, as I get farther in, lean more toward one type of prompt than another, but I would like to learn the different types and give examples while learning them that might help with someone else in the future. And then there are some techniques that go along with the different types of prompt questions. There are prompt design techniques. There's the zero shot prompt. So you ask it one time, and whatever the chatbot gives you is what you get. There's the few shot prompts, which is asking the same question in a different way a few times to see if you get different information. And then there's also the chain of thought prompts, which are very much like having a conversation or an interview with AI. I had a whole presentation. I just read it. I thought I would be able to share my screen, but this is my first time. I haven't done this yet. I would really love to have anyone who is looking to learn about ChatGPT and prompt engineering join me on my journey. I'm going to figure this out. If I, who am not very savvy with this technology, can learn prompt engineering, anybody can learn. And I am sharing my journey, live streaming. Hopefully, you will enjoy it and find it useful. If you would like to join me during my lunch break tomorrow, I will have figured out how to share my screen and we will go to ChatGPT tomorrow. The website for ChatGPT, I'm going to put right here in the chat. It is chat.openai.com. That is where we're going to go tomorrow. Thanks so much for joining me. We're going to get this right tomorrow. Take care.